You wicked. Yeah. Happy Monday. Back to reality. Yeah. Có câu ngủ mấy phụ ngọt với ngọt. Có Ivan, man. I'm so tired. Why Monday always a lazy day? Why? Why? Can you tell me why? Why Monday always a lazy day? A hard day to get up. We just got here at work. About to go start. Get ready. Get our day started. You know. Oh my gosh, I'm tired. Tired. Man. But it's alright. It's okay. We gotta do what we gotta do, huh? Alright. Let's go. Let's go start working. Como le station le isalian. Claro. Sa como le warehouse.
Yeah, we'll look good. Of course. What's happening? How are you?
Good. That's not something burned. Yep. Quarter to yard. Station San Leandro. Man, is that my truck? He's smelling like that? Why that truck is smelling like this? Starting my pre-trip. Checking the engine. Checking the fan. The belt. Checking inside if anything damaged. Cooling, make sure it's not broken or leaking. Going around the other side. Checking the belt again. Checking the oil, make sure there's nothing broken on the cap or leaking. Checking the wires down there. All the electric wire and then the air wires. Make sure nothing is cut. Checking the steering wheel. Yep. Oh. This is Hayward Yard. We just got here. Getting our empty trailer to hook up and take it to our first live load. Check the to make sure if it's empty. Yep. Another day, another dollar. The life of a trucker. And they locked the trailer. The reason why they lock it because a lot of truckers from a different location, from a different FedEx station, like in Stockton or Tracy or Sacramento or whatever. When they come here, they drop off a load over here. They drop off a trailer, and then they come and steal our trailer. Not steal, but they take our trailer to their location. So, an empty trailer. They take the empty trailer. So that's why they lock. That's why they lock the trailer. This is where the air for the trailer goes. See how they lock it? Every single one. So good thing is I have a key. You know, we're not supposed to have a key, but the only reason why I have a key is because our base where we park our trucker, they gave me a key for a long time. And good thing I still have it. See, still have it. There you go. There you go. That's a lock. So what I do, I'm gonna leave it here. When they come and take off the lock, I left it over there. So now I gotta take this one. One hand. What? Say what? Yep. They just finished loading my trailer. It's a full trailer, full load. It's really good. Really good. Good for the business. Really good. Slowly by slowly, you start getting busy. Do AVR first before we go. Landing gear. is off. There. Electric wire. Put it there. This one here. Gonna hook the. Oh, this one is part of it. I'm gonna go over. Pull it. Whew. On to the next one. Pick up an empty one. The empty trailer. Empty trailer. And take it to our next live load. Yes, sir. Already hook up our empty trailer for our next live load. Well, it's our second live load. So everything is good. The trailer is hooked up on the tractor, and then let's go. Let's head to the next one. The life of a truck driver. You here now? Second live load. Today's kind of slow today. Whoa, not slow, but it's kind of boring. Only one today. So. All right, yep. There you go. There's one pallet for this live load. All right. So these guys are really slow. Oh, it's lunchtime. Warming up my food, my barbecue from Saturday night. Soda, chips. What's going on? So right now, I'm here at my fourth pickup. So they're loading it right now. You can hear them. You can hear the fork. Yeah. So they're loading my trailer right now. So 53 feet. All the way to the front. Oh. How you doing today? How's your day today? How's your day going so far? Oh, I think this guy's done loading. Yep. You hear? He closed the door. So he's done. He's done loading. So pickup number 4. Already put up the landing gear. I hooked up my trailer here. My electric wire. Tractor wire. Oh yeah. That's the life of a trucker. Easy and simple. Yeah, right. I wish. Let's go drop these off at the warehouse and pick up another trailer. We're gonna go do our swap after this. There's 2 swap after this. Swap 2 trailer. And that's it. All right, let's roll. Picking up our last empty for the last swap. After this swap, and then we got one more, but it's a pickup, and that's our last one for the day, and then we're done. Monday always feel like boring. Monday always boring, man. Like I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on with Monday. See if I can do this with one hand. So yeah, we got one more. It's our swap. Chop these off. Pick the other ones, the other trailer. That one's already low, so it's swapped with the empty. So this is gonna be a pickup tomorrow. This empty right here, and then we're gonna take an empty trailer over there tomorrow, and pick this trailer up tomorrow. So the empty that we chopped there, we're gonna pick up the next day. So, all right, guys. That's our video for today. That's all I did today. Life of a trucker. Today was a good day. Kind of boring, but it's all good. But thank you guys for tuning in. Today's our day 16, video 16 today. But thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you for sharing our video, subscribing our video, and liking our video. I really appreciate you guys. But see you guys tomorrow. But don't forget, God is good. Life is good. Be positive and dance your life away.